Good afternoon, live from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. Welcome to Data Cloud Now. I'm joined by Sunny Bedi, CIO and CDO from Snowflake, along with Rajeev Nayar, CTO of Data Analytics at Infosys. Infosys is a global leader in next-generation digital service and consulting and an elite partner of Snowflake. They enable clients in more than 50 countries to navigate their digital transformation. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. Sunny, I'm going to start with you. In your role, you are engaging with CDOs, CIOs, and CTOs. What insights are they providing, and are you noticing any trends?
Yeah, so it's interesting you asked that question. I just finished a panel for CIO and CDOs. We had over 160 CIOs and CDOs in that event. And we were just so amazed by the type of use cases that they're really unlocking with the data that now they have in their fingertips, which was really hard to, get in front of them. And with Snowflake, they've been able to really solve some unbelievable use cases, taking advantage of ML, AI, and it's really amazing to see the transformation that they're driving.
It's all coming together at Snowflake Summit. You hear the energy happening all around us. Rajeev, from your standpoint, Infosys just received the Global Innovation Partner of the Year. What does this mean for Infosys?
Well, first off, thank you for recognizing our efforts.
Congratulations.
And we're very proud to get this award. We've been working quite closely with Snowflake for a while now. So, for example, when the Snow Park was launched, we did some work along with the Snowflake development teams to look at benchmarking and looking at how we can improve the product. We worked with Streamlit, for example, to create these data-led applications quite early. And we are a big believer in this data-led applications. We also launched a couple of industry clouds, particularly around retail and life sciences. We have been putting Snowflake front and center in one of our offerings. We call it the data estate, and we talked about it in the keynote today. And the idea is to use Snowflake, surround it with the Infosys solutions that we've created, and then create a complete solution for our customers in terms of leveraging their data, being able to make use of their data, and effectively get value out of their data.
An exciting partnership up to this point. As we look towards this next chapter, gentlemen, a question for both of you. What's next for the Snowflake and Infosys partnership? Sunny, if you'd like to start.
Yeah, I think I was just sharing this with Rajeev earlier. Infosys is one of the world's largest managed service providers. They do consulting for thousands of companies, and they actually do the MSP piece of it for thousands of customers. I've used them in my previous life. And the heart of it is that customers want insights into how they're actually seeing the services that they're providing. And typically, you wait for a QBR to get those insights.
Right.
I'm hungry to get that insights real time, and people who are CIOs in other industries also want that. So one of the ideas that I had with Rajeev was, why don't we work together on a certain set of use cases that every CIO is going to need, whether it's operational discipline, whether it's maintenance, whatever it might be, right? And really provide that in a meaningful manner that is consistently shared with customers in a real-time basis. And we can really, really unlock an unbelievable amount of use cases like that. So I think we have to partner more on that and figure out how to go to market together on that.
Absolutely.
And Rajeev, from your perspective, as you look towards the future, what excites you most?
So, our partners. We would love to work with our partners, and we are actually creating this whole ecosystem, including our partners in our journey. But more importantly, as we talk about data, it's really about getting the insights from the data, connecting the data and getting the insights from the data, and you want to get those insights as soon as possible.
Right.
And we are seeing transformation along different dimensions. For example, we had infrastructure-led transformations, and we have digital-led transformations, which is sort of morphing into data-led transformations. And the future is going to be about AI-led transformations and what we call ecosystem-led transformations, which is where the boundaries of enterprises are sort of dissipating to start including their partners and new offerings that are coming up. So this is the direction that we are going. This is the direction that we are taking and trying to enable those transformations. And we look at partners like Snowflake to be able to work with us to sort of lead these transformations. So very exciting journey ahead, and we look forward to working with you.
Absolutely, absolutely.
I love having the collaboration take place in front of us at Snowflake Summit. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now. For the audience, if you want to catch Summit keynotes and more, make sure to catch the on-demand replay at snowflake.com/summit/livestream to explore all the newly announced product innovations. That's it for today for Data Cloud Now. I'm Ryan Green. I'll see you tomorrow.